virtual assistant in the United States costs around $40,000 a year. A specialized one who can do real research, write professional documents, communicate with clients, costs even more. I'm going to show you a system I built that does most of the work for free. No virtual assistant, no payroll, just you, a few AI tools, and the right workflows. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact system I used to research 50 companies in under an hour, write a 2,000-word client report in under 3 hours, send 5 customized client proposals in 30 minutes, handle scope creep, payment delays, and tough client conversations professionally. If you're a freelancer, a solo entrepreneur, or anyone who's ever thought, I need help but I can't afford to hire, this is for you. Quick favor, subscribe before we start. I drop one of these workflow systems every week, so you don't want to miss the next one. Let's be honest about what virtual assistants actually do. The vast majority of VA work isn't strategic, it's research, writing, formatting, scheduling, and following up. That's it. In 2026, all of that is automatable. The traditional VA model has 3 problems. Problem 1, cost. 25 to 50 an hour adds up fast. 20 hours a week is $20,000 to $40,000 a year for what's mostly tactical work. Problem 2, communication overhead. You spend an hour explaining a task, the VA spends 3 hours doing it, then you spend 30 minutes reviewing it. That's 4.5 hours of your time and theirs for what an AI could do in 20 minutes. Problem 3, scaling. When you grow, you need more VAs. With AI, you can scale without adding headcount. Here's the truth most freelancers and solopreneurs aren't ready to hear. If you can describe what you need clearly, AI can do 80% of VA work. The 20% that's actually strategic, that's where you come in. Let me show you the system. Here's what you need. All of these have free tiers that will get you started. Claude for writing, analysis, structured documents. Perplexity for research with sources and citations. ChatGPT for quick iteration and image work. Notebook LM for analyzing your own documents and building knowledge bases. These 4 tools used together replace the bulk of what a VA does. Total cost, 0 if you use the free tiers. Now let me show you 3 specific workflows that turn this stack into a system. Workflow 1, research at 5 times the speed of manual work. Let's say a client asks you to research 30 companies and pull together a brief on each one. Manually, that's an 8-hour project. Here's how you do it in 90 minutes. Step 1, open Perplexity, paste a prompt like this. Research these 30 companies. For each, give me industry and what they do, headquarters and size estimate, recent news in the last 12 months, top 3 competitors, best contact methods, cite sources for everything. Perplexity gives you a sourced answer in under 5 minutes. You'd spend 2 hours doing this in Google. Step 2. Open Claude, paste the Perplexity output. Tell Claude, convert this into a clean spreadsheet with 1 row per company, flag any data points that need human verification. Claude formats everything, you verify the flagged items manually, and that's where your value is. The output is ready for delivery. Step 3. Drop everything into Notebook LM as a permanent knowledge base. Next time a client asks, what's the deal with this company? You ask Notebook LM and get a sourced answer from your past research, not random internet stuff. Workflow 2, writing a 2,000-word client report in 3 hours instead of 8. Most freelance writers I know spend a full day on something like this. Here's the compressed version. Use Perplexity to gather research on a topic, 30 minutes max. Take that research to Claude, ask for an outline structured around a clear takeaway, 15 minutes. Step 3. Have Claude draft each section one at a time. Don't try to write the whole thing at once. Quality crashes. Section by section is the move. About 1 hour of guided drafting. Step 4. This is where humans become essential. You rewrite each section in your voice. Add specific examples. Kill the AI patterns, the templated transitions, the hedged phrasing, the generic intros. About 45 minutes. Step 5. SEO optimization, final polish, 15 minutes. That's a 2,000 word client deliverable in 3 hours. The same project a year ago took 8. Workflow 3. This is the one that actually drives freelance income. Most freelancers send 2 to 3 proposals a day on Upwork or Fiverr. With this workflow, you can send 15 to 20 without sacrificing quality. The trick is having proposal templates ready, then using AI to customize each one to a specific job. Here's the flow. Step 1. You have 10 templates pre-built, one for research jobs, one for writing jobs, one for VA work, etc. Step 2. When you find a job, you read it for 1 minute, decide if it's worth pursuing. Step 3. Paste the job description and the right template into Claude and ask, customize this template to match the specific scope and language of this job. Step 4. Review for 2 minutes, make sure it sounds like you and addresses their specific project. Step 5. Send. Total time for a proposal 5 to 7 minutes, down from 35 to 55 minutes manually. The math is simple. More proposals to the right jobs equals more clients. With this workflow, freelance income compounds in months, not years. Here's something most AI productivity videos miss. The system isn't useful if you're using it for bad clients. The fastest way to lose money as a freelancer isn't slow work, it's working with the wrong clients. Scope creep, late payments, unlimited revisions, those destroy your effective hourly rate faster than any inefficiency. So part of this system is filters, pre-screening clients before you even apply, templates for declining bad fit jobs, scripts for pushing back on scope creep, frameworks for raising your rates with existing clients. This is the part of freelancing nobody talks about, but it's where the actual money lives. Working faster matters. Working smarter, knowing what to say no to matters more. Look, I just spent about 10 minutes giving you the architecture of a system, but the actual proposal templates, the prompt library, the client communication scripts, the workflow blueprints with exactly step-by-step instructions, that's a lot of content. I packaged all of it into something I just put together. It's called the AI Freelancer Toolkit. It's 173 pages, 10 proposal templates that have won real freelance contracts, 50 specific AI prompts for freelance tasks, not generic productivity prompts, 10 client communication scripts for tough situations, 6 complete workflow blueprints with the exact prompts and tools, a pricing calculator that ends underpricing forever, and a tool stack guide for any budget. It's $47 this week. It's 50% off, $23.50 with code LAUNCH50. The link is in the description. Honestly, if you're building any kind of freelance income, this pays for itself the first time you use any of these workflows. The pricing section alone has paid back 10 times for most readers in the first month. But here's the deal. I'd rather you not buy it than buy it and not use it. So if you grab it, commit to applying one thing in your next project. That's how it actually works. Whether or not you grab the toolkit, what I want you to do this week is pick one workflow from this video and try it. Just one. The research workflow, the writing workflow, the proposal workflow. Doesn't matter which. Apply it to a real project this week. Time how long it takes you compared to what you normally spend. When you experience the time difference firsthand, the math becomes obvious. If this video was useful, drop a comment with which workflow you're trying first. I read all comments and your answers help me build better videos. Subscribe for more workflow systems like this, new ones every week. I'll see you next time.